So ayun na mga ka-sports, UAAP Season 88 3v3 basketball tournament between UP and NU. Napakagandang match-up nito mga ka-sports kasi ayaw talagang magpatalo ang bawat isa. Pero sadly to say, isa lang po ang pwedeng manalo. Halika mga ka-sports, tingnan natin ang buong highlights ng kanilang laro.
Pass, basket. Iniguez out of the circle. Step back two. In and out. Together, Iniguez. And Navarro. 4 to go in the shot clock. Reyes. Jumper is pure. Reyes. Pass to the ball, landing Judy. Gives it up to Temple. Garcia gets the shooter. Solo. Navarro. And one cut. Hail Mary shot for him. John Reyes couldn't get it to trickle in, and Reyes a quickness advantage on Andres and basket. Francisco pulls off, and it's good again. Garcia, ankle breaks Andres. Navarro finishes it. Iniguez against Temple. Iniguez fade away, backing. Reyes slows down, but he accepts. Iniguez gets. to 6. Back to live action. Iniguez against Francisco. Another jumper. The marksman couldn't make it. ISO pull up. Overcooked it. Navarro offensive rebound. Gives it up to Reyes. 14-7. Navarro using his strength and persist. Love pass. Dava. Basket. Another victory for NU. Temple gives it to Navarro. It's good.
Ayun ang mga sports na what a game. Napakagandang match-up between UP and NU. Anong masasabi mo sa gameplay nila ngayon mga sports? Comment your thoughts below at babasahin ko yan. Like, subscribe at share para updated tayo pareho sa mga ganitong uploads. So paano? Ingat po kayo. Mga sports, kung hilig ninyong bumili ng mga Gilas jersey, Gilas accessories at mga gamit na pang basketball, habang nanunood po kayo sa aking mga videos, kindly check this basket on this lower part ng ating video at magpa-pop up yung ating mga items sa gilid. Mga legit po yung mga items dyan, and see to it po na makabili po kayo ahead of time kasi meron po yung mga discounts and mga promos depende po sa seller. And also, kunting suporta din as a content creator po. Salamat!